All right. Just dropping into the body for a moment. Feeling into the hands, the feet, the way the weight distributes, the way the joints stack and support each other. This is where biomechanics begins. Not in theory, but in sensation. How the wrists take load, how the shoulders organize, how the hips respond. You shift your center of gravity. Nothing forced, just listening. Because the body already knows how to move. We just spend a lot of time not hearing it. And out here in the ecosystem, it's easier to hear. The ground, sand is not perfect. The air is not controlled. So the body has to adapt. And that adaptation, that's intelligence. That's real strength. Not rigid, but responsive. As the body moves, you can start to feel energy underneath it. Not in some abstract way, but in a very real, physical sense. Stability down low. That root, that sense of being, that's your foundation. And from there, energy rises through the hips, through the spine, and through the chest. And when the chest opens, even slightly, something shifts. Breath deepens, space expands. It's not schematic. That's energy movement. And then there's the balance between effort and ease. How much do you engage? How much do you soften? That's the conversation happening in every moment. Muscle and release, strength and surrender. Too much force and the system tightens. Too little and it collapses. Right in the middle, there's flow. And really this is what this practice is. Not perfect shapes, not performing anything, but understanding how your body moves, how your energy flows, how you relate to the environment around you. Because you're not separate from any of this. Same way the trees respond, your body responds to gravity, to breath, to attention. It's all connected. So, as you move, notice that. The energy, the environment, it's all working together. And maybe, just for a moment, you stop trying to control it and you just move with it. Remember, you're both the forest and the sky. See you next time.